In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in Klaviyo. Now, in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual klaviyo.com and make sure to create an account. You can do so by adding in here your email address and clicking on the sign up option right here. Now, if you already have an account, you can just proceed to click on this login and then log in into your account. Now, here is actually my dashboard on Klaviyo. Now, in order to build a template, you just need to navigate right here into your left sidebar, and in here you can see the content. Make sure to expand that. Now, in here, click on the template, and in here you should be able to see in here this. Make sure to click on this create option, and then after that, this should be able to show you up right here to the email template editor. You can just input right here what content you want for your actual template. Just drop the content right here. For example, let's add in here a header. Then after that header, you can proceed to add some more. So let's head back. Let's add in here an image after it. And then from in there, you can also add another option like text as well as buttons if you would want. Now in order to edit it, just input right here the text. Since this is actually a template, we can just leave it as it is as a placeholder if we would want. Now into this, you can proceed to add some more contents or blocks. We have as well pre-built blocks as well as universal templates that you can actually utilize. So with this, you can actually reuse this template if you would want. So for example, you're already done. You can head over and then click onto this preview and test. So you can choose preview as well as inbox testing if you'd want. Now, once you're done, head over and click on this done option. You can send tests if you would want, and then you can utilize it as your own template. Just proceed to rename it right here. So let's name it template number 1. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.